How to fast forward and manage ads on Hulu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fast forward and manage ads on Hulu. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to go to hulu.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So in order to fast forward and manage ads on Hulu, you have to add an extension. So for that, navigate to this puzzle like icon at the top right. That is the extension icon. From here, head over to manage extension. Then head over to Chrome Web Store from the menu bar on your left hand side. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Hulu Ads Keeper. So this is the one that you have to add. Click on the first extension, then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. So once you have added the extension, what you have to do is head over to hulu.com, go to the extension icon at the top right again, and make sure to pin this extension. So now the Hulu Ads Skipper has been pinned. Now whenever the ads play on your video while watching in Hulu, it will automatically detect your ad and will skip or fast forward the ad. That's it. That's how you can fast forward and manage ads on Hulu, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.